Hello, hello, everybody. Today we are learning present tenses in future time clauses. Future time clauses. So let's go. First rule: to talk about the future with the words when, if, before, after, and as soon as, we use the present tense. We use the present tense. So with these words, when, if, before, after, as soon as. Okay, we use present tense. But they mean or the sentence mean the action in the future. All right, in the future. That's why it's called future time clause. Okay, actually they are called. Okay, there are several of them. Okay, first example: you will start to feel better as soon as you take the medicine. You will start to feel better as soon as you take the medicine. Okay, this is future time clauses, as soon as. All right, this is present simple. So here, and here you can see you will start. This is future simple. Okay, this is future simple. This is future time clause. Okay, guys. Next, I'll leave. If we leave tomorrow morning, we'll get back in time for dinner. If we leave tomorrow morning, we'll get back in time for dinner. All right. If you can see here, if we leave tomorrow morning. So this is future time clause, and here you can see future simple. All right. Next example: after we do the shopping, we'll go straight home. So after we do the shopping, we'll go straight home. Here you can see again after. This is also future time so clause. Yes, this part, and this is future simple. All right. So all in these three sentences, so as soon as, if, and after, they show future time clause. And the other part is future simple or result clause. Yes, you will start, will get, will go is result clause, they call. All right, because they show the result of the action of the future or in the future. All right, next rule. We can put the present tense clause first or second. If the present tense clause comes first, we put a comma after it. Put comma after it. For example, when you start doing more exercise, comma, you will feel much better. So here you can see when you start, and this is called present tense clause, and it's coming first. And you're using here comma after it. You should use. You will feel much better, no comma, when you start doing more exercise. So there is no comma because the present tense clause is coming second in this sentence. I hope this page is understandable. Let's go to next page. We use if when we are not sure something is going to happen. And we use when we are sure. So if when we are not sure, when we are sure of something going on. Okay, first example: we'll go camping again when summer comes. So we'll go camping again when summer comes. So we know that, or we are sure that summer comes next year. There are 4 seasons, and one of them is summer, and it comes definitely. All right. Next, we'll go for a walk if the weather is better. We'll go for a walk tomorrow if the weather is better. All right, here you can see they are talking about weather in this sentence. No one can control weather, no one. So you never know what's going to happen tomorrow. They do forecast actually, but it may be changeable, right? Yes, you don't know. Maybe there will be clouds, and it will start raining, right? So that's why you're not sure about it, and we are saying if the weather is better. Okay, it's less sure. Second rule: when and as soon as are similar in meaning. When and as soon as, they are similar in meaning, but we use as soon as to say something will happen immediately after an action. So immediately there is keyword, something happens after an action or another action. For example, Can you call me as soon as he arrives? Can you call me as soon as he arrives? So as soon as or immediately after he arrives. I need to talk to him urgently. It's urgent. There is emergency. When he arrives, we'll have a coffee and start the meeting. When he arrives, we'll have a coffee and start the meeting. So here it means when he comes, we will have coffee. After that, we will start meeting. It's not urgent. We will not start the meeting right after his arrival. Okay. All right. I hope everything is understandable. Now here you have 5 sentences. You should choose the correct alternative to complete these sentences. Here you can see 2 alternatives. All right, take your time, do it carefully, then you will check. So guys, once you have finished, now you can check. You have answers here. So check it. Also, the last one is okay here. All right. You have answers, you can check it. If you have questions, you can ask me in the chat box. If you don't have questions, anyway, I mean, you can leave your comments in comment section. I will do my best to answer to your question, and like and subscribe to this channel, and to you will be look forward. See you guys, take care, bye bye.